27 super meals so one can support you lose stomach fat. If you suppose like you're making clever strikes to lose weight but the scale is not moving the way in which you need, your weight loss program may just include some sneaky meals that may lead to water retention, ahem, salt, and a bigger calorie intake. Begin by means of reducing again on ultra-processed meals, bubbly drinks, gum, and sugary drinks that can increase bloating. At the same time, no single food can spot coach stomach fats. Some clever swaps might also fortify intestine well-being, disposing of cramps and gas, and help you suppose less puffy. Veggies, fruits, seeds, nuts, fish, entire grains, and different shrewd alternatives loaded with fiber and protein will preserve you fuller longer, all whilst working their nutrient-powered magic. In the case of healthful consuming and weight reduction, these plant-based foods adored by registered dietitians have your again. 1. Peanut butter packs 8 grams of protein and as much as 4 grams of fiber per serving, making it a superb snack to help you replenish and keep satisfied. Peanuts contain L-arginine, an amino acid that works to enhance blood flow throughout your body with the aid of helping blood vessels calm down, all of which can help to mitigate fluid retention. 2. Chickpeas. They may be stuffed with fiber and plant-founded protein, as well as immune-boosting antioxidants and bloat-busting minerals. Chickpeas effectively go in soups, stews, salads, and facet dishes. Plus, chickpea flour is a first-class baking alternative for a more nutrient-dense and filling end result. 3. Pumpkin puree. With more fiber than quinoa and extra potassium than a banana, pumpkin puree is one among your nice bets for snacking and cooking functions. Try this the next time you're craving sweets. Add pureed pumpkin to unsweetened Greek yogurt with cinnamon and chopped pears for a nutritious dessert. 4. Peas. Green peas. A cup of peas packs 8 grams of protein and tons of key bloat-lowering vitamins and minerals. It's obtained almost all of what you need every day for nutrition C, plus magnesium, potassium, and iron, all of which support in counterbalancing sodium and bringing oxygen to blood cells. 5. Tuna. It doesn't get any better than fish on the subject of healthy protein, chiefly tuna, salmon, and sardines. They're filled with foremost omega-3s and lean protein, helping you fill up and curb cravings. 6. Salmon. The polyunsaturated fatty acids plus minerals in salmon make it an excellent dinner choice. The nutrition D determined in each fillet is linked with decreasing your chance of persistent disorder, and you'll be able to also get 25% of your everyday diet B6, which can support with temper and stress legislation. 7. Potatoes. Baked potatoes, yes, white potatoes, are a satisfactory source of potassium, which will help beat bloat and counterbalance sodium. Considering the fact that they've got filling fiber, spuds additionally support you stay fuller, longer. Prevent the deep fryer, though. Potatoes are a nutrient-dense food as long as they may be not served the French fry manner. 8. Seeds. Mineral-packed seeds, primarily sunflower and pumpkin, furnish plenty of immune-boosting zinc and severely fill you up. The hearty combo of plant-established protein and fiber can stave off starvation pangs afterward. 9. Fermented meals. Fermented meals like miso, tempeh, and sauerkraut include probiotics, pleasant bacteria that support increase immunity, keep watch over gut operate, and banish bloat. Unsweetened undeniable Greek yogurt and skyr can furnish probiotic advantages too. Decide on ones which have 5 lines or extra of bacterial cultures per 6-ounce serving. 10. Oats. Probiotics introduce useful bacterial to your method, but the prebiotics in oats feed the great bacteria already living there, helping it proliferate. 11. Nuts. Almonds, peanuts, walnuts, pistachios. At GH, we're nuts about nuts. Persons who snack on nuts can have diminished stomach fats than folks who munch on carb-founded treats, in keeping with a 2015 B trained within the Journal of the American Heart Association. Nuts are rich in monounsaturated fat, a coronary heart healthy and extra satisfying, decide upon than their grain-situated counterparts. 12. Berries. Berries are filled with fiber, as much as 9 grams a cup, and antioxidants however include much less sugar than most fruits. That combo makes them a pleasurable and healthy choice. 13. Olive oil. Plant-headquartered oils like further virgin olive oil create that full feeling and help you slim down overall. Skip battered foods deep fried in oil, though. Fried snacks are related to weight obtained, so you are better off having fun with them, most effective once in a while. 14. Eggs. Excessive protein breakfasts, in particular ones that comprise eggs, were linked to weight loss, decreasing stomach fat in the method. Add eggs to salads, stir fries, and sautés, or pair them with 100% whole grain toast and veggies for a hearty breakfast. 15. Beans and lentils. Beans and lentils are everywhere at the moment, and we couldn't be happier about it. They are filled with fiber and plant-centered protein, plus minerals and B vitamins. Total, beans cut back bloat by assisting your nervous and muscular systems, serving to you construct lean body mass. 16. Entire grains. Grains get a bad rap in relation to weight reduction, but that's considering refined grains, red, processed foods, are linked to wider wastes. 100% whole grains are bloat-busting superstars, however, as they may be packed with minerals and depuffed by means of counterbalancing salt. Follow brown rice, quinoa, wheat, barley, millet, farro, sorghum, and amaranth for the largest advantages. 17. Dairy. Add a cup of low-fat milk, a component skim mozzarella stick, or a half of cup of low-sodium cottage cheese to breakfast, and you will have a stomach-busting win. At the same time, tons of research links calcium with cut-down body weights. Results from a 2014 Gain Knowledge propose that calcium-containing meals could slash waist circumference in those genetically predisposed to carrying weight in their midsection. 18. Leafy vegetables. Plant-founded omega-3s belong in any healthful eating plan, however leafy vegetables and cauliflower are above all important for tightening up. They are loaded with minerals like potassium, which can support offset the bloat-inducing results of sodium. 19. Avocados. Good information for lovers of this fruit. Sure, it can be a fruit. A 2013 B-Train linked eating avocado most of the time to shrink waist circumference and BMI. What's more, the monounsaturated fats are heart-healthy and filling, decreasing the urge to graze on processed foods later on. 20. Bananas. Full of potassium and magnesium, bananas offset the bloat brought about salty processed meals and P.C. in plant-situated prebiotics, feeding your good microorganism. Snack on one a day with a tablespoon of nut butter, or slice it into your morning cereal. 21. Coffee and tea. One other win to your morning cup of joe. Caffeinated coffee maintains matters relocating by way of the digestive tract. For the reason that staying ordinary is vital to a tighter-looking tummy, consuming about 8 to 16 oz of Java even as daily can aid you stay on schedule. Remember, sugary drinks can lead to weight obtain, so pass fancy flavorings and artificial sweeteners containing sugar alcohols, which will purpose bloating. 22. Tomatoes, mushrooms, carrots, cucumber, and different salad staples all help you stay hydrated due to their excessive H2O content material. That extra water can offset fluid retention induced by using extra salt. 23. Asparagus. As a prebiotic cram veggie, asparagus is a first-class addition to soups, pastas, and omelets, or served as a facet dish. For additional bloat-beating benefits, are attempting pairing asparagus sticks with other crudite and dipping in hummus. 24. Citrus fruits. The potassium in citrus helps fight bloat whilst the antioxidants battle infection, which is associated with stomach fat storage. On account that a key part of beating the bulge is correct hydration, adding citrus to your H2O can help non-water drinkers to sip up and ultimately slim down. 25. Onions. You recognize that alliums like garlic, onion, leeks, scallions, and shallots add tons of taste, but in addition they provide tons of prebiotic fiber. Sneak them into savory dishes, like omelets and healthy salads. 26. Sweet potatoes, butternut squash, and different just right for you orange veggies are curb in calories and chock full of potassium and beta-carotene. Their mineral-wealthy and fiber-full residences make them bloat-beating all-stars. 27. Herbs and spices. Taste meals with herbs and spices every time you can. It should encourage you scale back on high-sodium staples and prevent the salt shaker, a most important participant in bloating. Plus, many have slight diuretic effects, helping you flush out excess water. We love basil, cilantro, rosemary, sage, tarragon, mint, oregano, and black and purple chili peppers, to name a number of.